The vaccine favoritism question swirling around Florida Governor Ron DeSantis received a national spotlight Sunday when the popular CBS News program, 60 Minutes, took an in-depth look at the issue, with the report highlighting how the governor's campaign donors were involved in the vaccine rollout. The 60 Minutes report touched on a controversial vaccine pop-up clinic in Lakewood Ranch that drew a federal complaint, which was first reported by the USA Today network. The state's arrangement with Publix to distribute vaccine, and the disparity in vaccine distribution in Palm Beach County. Vaccine favoritism questions have dogged the governor since the early days of the rollout, starting with the state's January partnership with Publix, which donated $100,000 to the governor's political committee in December, to conduct vaccinations. Critics questioned whether DeSantis was favoring a single grocery chain that had donated to his campaign. Those questions were especially pronounced in Palm Beach County, which relied heavily on Publix for vaccine distribution early in the rollout. More. DeSantis and Moskowitz respond to questions about vaccine favoritism at communities in Broward and Keys. DeSantis defends vaccine clinic. Threatens to send vaccines elsewhere after complaints analysis. When COVID-19 vaccines were most scarce, seniors in Florida's wealthiest counties got them at higher rates. Subscriber exclusive. Gov. DeSantis to Alfonsi. That's a fake narrative. The 60 Minutes report highlighted how residents of one of the poorest areas of Palm Beach County, the heavily minority communities ringing Lake Okeechobee in the Everglades region, had to travel long distances to reach a Publix. 60 Minutes reporter Sharon Alfonsi questioned DeSantis about the Publix contribution in a heated exchange. The governor pushed back aggressively, saying he asked officials in Palm Beach how they wanted to distribute the vaccine. That's a fake narrative, DeSantis said. I met with the county mayor, I met with the administrator, I met with all the folks in Palm Beach County, and I said, here's some of the options. We can do more drive-through sites, we can give more to hospitals, we can do the Publix. And they said we think that would be the easiest thing for our residents. Pressed by Alfonsi that the criticism is it's pay to play, DeSantis responded, it's wrong, it's a fake narrative. The 60 Minutes segment also touched on how DeSantis came under intense scrutiny for tapping housing developers who donated to his campaign to host vaccine pop-up clinics. The segment mentions a state-run vaccine clinic in Lakewood Ranch and also highlights Pat Neal, a prominent DeSantis donor who builds homes in Lakewood Ranch and other communities that received special access to the vaccine. DeSantis turned to Rex Jensen, the president and CEO of Lakewood Ranch developer Schroeder Manatee Ranch, to host a clinic in February in his community.